This video will explain the application process for new hospital drugs in Denmark being evaluated by the Danish Medicines Council. The Medicines Council approves regional hospital drugs. The Council has the ultimate decision power and assesses the added clinical value of new drugs and indications. AMGROS is the Danish region's purchasing organization. AMGROS is responsible for validation of the cost analysis and price negotiations with the company. The process of approving new drugs starts at the earliest at EMA Day 150. The pharma company and the Danish Medicines Council convene a preliminary meeting followed by the submission of a preliminary application by the company at EMA Positive Opinion. The Medicines Council develops a project protocol. At EMA approval, the final application can be submitted by the company. The Medicines Council conducts a quality assessment of the clinical part of the final application and classifies the added clinical value of the new medicine. The company is invited to comment on the classification of the added clinical value. AMGROS validates the company's cost and budget impact analysis and negotiates with the applicant. 12 weeks after approval, the Medicines Council determines whether to recommend the new drug as standard treatment. Now the regions can implement the recommendation and AMGROS will monitor the use of the drug. The Medicines Council assesses the added clinical value by weighting the outcomes as critical, very important, or important, and by assessment of the absolute effect of the drug compared to the clinically important differences and of the relative effect measures compared to the inferential thresholds. Then the added clinical value can be classified into 6 categories, ranging from high added clinical value to non-documental added clinical value. Furthermore, they assess the level of evidence evaluated by grade. Based on the applicant's cost and budget impact analysis, AMGROS will evaluate the validity and relevance of the submitted information. AMGROS will not use QALY. A price negotiation will be based on these cost analysis and budget impact estimates in combination with the evaluation of the added clinical benefit. After the price negotiation, the Medicines Council will make the decision whether to recommend the medicine for standard treatment or not, based on the price and the added clinical value. The new drug can achieve hospital access as early as 12 weeks after EMA approval. If the drug is rejected, new price negotiation cannot be initiated until 3 months after. Denmark remains an attractive country to launch hospital drugs, but preparation work should be initiated 9 to 12 months prior to the EMA approval. Companies must be critical to be right from the start. There is no opportunity to appeal. We help healthcare companies bring their products to patients. Contact us for more information.